Tiny reviewer. Can you guys see it? Wild caught, a sustainable, skinless, and boneless mackerel in 100% olive oil. So I bought this at Costco, and now let's open it up. My handy dandy, always useful scissors. Can cut it, then slice it. So let's just take one. Thank you for the rest. So this is what it looks like. Just one package. And here are the nutrition facts, and here are the ingredients. Which is only mackerel, which is a fish. Olive oil, salt, contains fish, so if you're allergic to them, don't eat it. Sadly, I love fish, so I love it. So let's open it. So it's an easy peel, so it's probably easy, but I cannot open it, but I'm not allowed to. So easy peel, just peel it. I'm not gonna peel it. If you guys don't like oily things, oh my goodness, keep it balanced because there's like literally oil is everywhere. Good oil, not like those other ones, like sunflower oil. So now I'm gonna taste it. So this is one of them. So you guys, if you guys want to, you guys could put in a cracker and eat like a sandwich, or put in a soup and eat it with it. I don't know, what do you guys eat with? Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys eat with? I normally eat it as a snack. It's very small, only about as long as the blade of my knife. And just so it has no bones. If you feel bones, it's okay. You can. It's very soft. So just bite it and like it'll be like nothing. I love fish, so I'll probably eating this whole slice in like 30 seconds. It's the best fish you'll ever taste. Nice fish, and it's wild caught. So how lucky you are. So that's it for today. Subscribe and press the like button, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!